Wow, what a crazy year it has been. Exciting and fun year. 14 months into this channel, and thanks to all of you guys, we have almost 50,000 subscribers. We've put out over 150 videos. It would not be possible without all of you, so thank you. I appreciate it. You're allowing me to get to do something that I love and enjoy. And we have got some great content coming up for you in 2026. Hint right here. But in the meantime, we have put together a compilation of some of the funny and more interesting and exciting and crazy moments from this past year with some never before seen video. So sit back and enjoy.
Well, maybe.
There you go. I was just saying, now your B-roll will look better. Give me that thing. I know how to do this job better than you do. George, now tell me the truth. Did you drive it?
No.
You should have drove it.
Nah.
I would have been like, I don't give a shit what my boss said. I'm driving this thing. I gotta feel that $300,000, $400,000 wind through my hair.
Well, I don't have any hair left, but I'll come along.
If you need me to flex my muscles for you, I usually look pretty good on camera.
I also said you left them in your other shirt.
What? I drove my Harley this morning because I wanted to get in here quick because I got a call from our security last night that the Land Rover got dropped off. That's not my bike. I don't even know whose bike it is. My gosh, this thing looks like you don't even want to know what I got. Talk about job security.
You're on camera, so I'm not gonna say what you got.
What the hell? Wow, look at that. You're able to just roll it up with your thumb, or with your palm like that. Well, Nate's got a bunch of experience with off. Maybe he'd be the man for this job. Got some boards under it, able to get the forks out. We're gonna plug this thing in. No, we're not gonna plug it in. First, we're gonna jump back. Mr. Know-It-All. Here's the problem with older brothers. They think they're smarter and wiser, but they're really just annoying.
Don't drive away.
I can't resist it. Watch your hands. I'm gonna try to start this thing. And by the way, if it starts, it's gonna make great video because I'm gonna strip down naked and I'm gonna run through this parking lot. Made it. 7.7 miles later, about 12-minute drive. 12 minutes of having to listen to Nate talk about nothing but food. And it's only 9:15 in the morning.
I know what it is. I know what it is. Your old age, you don't see the potential in the nice cars. You're looking at grandma and grandpa cars. These things are pretty nice.
Yeah, your girlfriend used to have one of these.
Yeah, but the only bad thing about it is every hour it would tell me to take a break. It's like, look, I don't need a break. I just need to go.
If you could just perform like that in the bed, then you'd be married.
Be surprised. That's this big gut right here. It's a battery.
Oh, really?
Fuel source.
Problem is that battery's feeding that ego. Is it looks like it's got body filler.
I'm trying to get it loose.
Oh shit.
A lot of body filler in that.
Nate, you f***ed up my new Porsche, dude.
Yeah. At least we know there's a hole in the motor somewhere.
I'm just wondering if you guys can handle it. Have you ever done any high-end?
I mean, there was that one time at Vegas, that strip club.
Damn, I don't know how all this work got done with you sitting there on your ass, but somebody's been working today. I almost feel like I've been in Vegas, and I threw it all down 25 large on black or red, and I've just been watching that wheel spin. Like I'm either the biggest idiot or I got a grand slam on this one. As is tradition, the first thing we always do with water cars. What the f***?
Dealing with this
Nate,
piece of junk.
I brought it in here for a roof.
Did it come in this way?
Yes, it did.
Don't lie to me, because I know you
No.
can't drive with
It actually was damaged. You're right. I forgot about it. I'm gonna start some Oh my gosh. I shouldn't be laughing because I do feel sorry for Nate sometimes because he has to deal with me.
Matt pissed me off the other day talking about I'm not able to sell cars and make more money than him.
Okay.
He left this open. He's like, I bought a car. I don't even know how much I get for it. I just started hitting the buttons. Oh shit. Matt's here.
What is that?
Hey, Nate. What do you want? this thing.
What the hell is that?
What, Nate bought it.
Nate bought a car. You think Nate's got $15,000?
I thought he bought it with your credit card.
What? That's son of a bitch. What the hell is that in the back parking lot? What the fuck, man? Dude, I know, John, I'm not mad at you, but fuck, man.
The left rear shock is where I was hearing that noise. So that makes total sense.
Okay, so let's figure out how the top works. Oh, here it is. You got to get a key. Ah, there you go. You put the key in and you turn it. Oh, and there it goes. Yeah, look at that. How do you think it would? Oh, there you go. That is a nice feature. I'm not quite sure how it works with the key and everything, but you gotta like it. Okay, active handling off. All right. Oh my gosh. You have got to be kidding me. The water's up to the top of the grill. Look at this thing. It is literally caked full of dirt all the way through the top of the engine. I don't think I've ever seen one this bad. And the irony of it all, I actually bought this car for me. You still got the thing in here.
You know what?
Now what the hell are you?
Keep up the attitude and we'll take it back off and redo it.
I don't doubt it.
See, you know,
Now he's telling me the truth.
You got a buff, put the badge on, it's ready to rock.
I know how to rock. Nate, what are you doing here?
What?
You're supposed to be in Lake Erie.
I can go back. I can do some like food reviews. I've seen some food reviews on YouTube, you know.
What the hell's wrong with this guy?
Send me to like Japan. I'll do some authentic ramen. I'll do all kind of like sushi.
I don't know what you do with these guys.
Come on, get that wallet out. Where's that?
Get to work. Son of a bitch. How do I f***ing get myself in these goddamn situations? F*** this goddamn car.
Would you buy it again?
No. I can't handle the stress. My poor ticker here can't deal with it. I love the car, but the prospect of putting a $15,000 engine in it, no, I wouldn't take the risk.
If he didn't have the f***ing stress, he wouldn't know what to do. He lives
true.
off that
He does
shit.
live
He's
off
gonna
the
sit
stress.
there and lie. No, I wouldn't do it again because of the stress.
You would do it.
Like
You'd
I
be
said,
more likely to buy it now
Right.
than before.
Is it salt water?
a little left.
They've been in there for a minute. That didn't get just accidentally stuck up in there.
Well, the V6 was squatting it down so hard that they had to put something in there.
Watch Fast and Furious. Try to soup up his V6 commercial.
You think he while he was watching it?
Yeah.
That's what f***ed him up.
Later on at night, he watched Roadhouse and did it too.
Oh, what, Billy?
Oh.
Tell me. Give me here. He's like,
Watch me walk out. What are you doing? Next time you can carry it.
Oh,
And Billy watched it happen. He told me when I came back in, he's like, hey, you got gear oil. I'm like,
And it's first thing in the morning. That's the way you're going to start off your day, just covered in oil. I'm sure you can take it to the company laundromat.
You got that?
No. Is it smoking? Oh, it's smoking. Woo! It's like a graveyard or something. Yeah, it's like spooky smoke coming out from around the ghost. Oh my gosh. All right, there's a pentagram that's been burned into the headliner of this car. Tell me we can save these letters, because you know that's going to be 150 or 200 bucks.
I mean, I might misspell them.
Again?
Hold on.
I'm sick for one day and you guys try to take my job. I need some job security around here. Hello, I'm here to look at that Ford Bronco. I'm sorry, ma'am. It's already been sold. No, it hasn't. I can see it right there on your showroom floor. I know it is. Somebody found it on our Coming Soon site and actually pre-purchased the car. But we do have plenty more SUVs out here. I'd be glad to show you. No. I've got a check right here, and I'm going to write it out for the full asking price, and I'm going to take that car. Well, just for the record,
It's 1:42, so he missed his target by 42 minutes.
You never,
Not bad.
because you was on lunch.
Maybe, but that's awesome.
See, if you wouldn't have took 42-minute lunch, you would have got it on time.
Well, because Wendy's, they were out of the sandwiches and we had to wait like 15 minutes for them to make another damn sandwich.
You ate all the damn food. He done ate them all out of food.
You know when I said we only hire the best, I was referring to John, right? So how is it that you got in here anyway? Friend of a friend?
Something like that.
Yeah. Or you blackmailed me with something.
I wish I had some blackmail on you, because then I'd be making more money.
I drove this car in the building. So that's great. I'm very encouraged so far. I might have got a contact buzz though, just driving the thing a half a block in here, because I mean, whew.
Sometimes you feel like you're in B school again. We're the teachers this time. I got kicked out of B school.
So did I.
Oh, here you come.
What is it? Every time I walk over here, I see another tech working on the car.
Yeah, great.
Great, you got your hands dirty.
I'm touching something. Probably the back of your neck. And then we sent it off to detail for $250.
You did a really nice job on this car. I gotta say, I'm impressed. I did a lot of work on this. Got it in and out of the shop quick. I'm proud. I'm proud of you. I'm glad to give you this car.
I appreciate
You've earned
it, man.
You did a good job.
I appreciate it.
Good for you, man. Enjoy your car. That looks great. Which...
It's like a tuning fork. Somebody was having a party in here. We got some little critter feet all over the back of this car.
Hold on. Is that wiring harness disconnected from the transfer case?
That's the only thing I f***ing asked you to do.
Yeah, sounds good.
Huh?
Sounds good. You got a flathead?
You don't remember that?
Flathead and pliers.
Just making sure you remember.
Look, if I was to get pissed off, I'm like, you'd be like, Nate, I'm sorry, man. Chill.
Nate, let me
That's how you get a raise.
All right, now I'm ready.
That's how I get a letter in the mail saying don't come back to work. Not come back to work, there'll be cops lined up. So just straight up.
Again, just like happened at your last employer.
We're gonna have to pull you off of it.
I feel like it. I walk in the door and I literally find you just sitting there. And you don't even look guilty.
I'm waiting. I'm not, because I'm
There
waiting
should
for
be fucking
you.
at least some shame in your body.
I'm trying to get another car in here. And I'm waiting for you.
I can tell you're trying real hard.
Waiting for you made me pull back in. Get that on camera. This asshole wants me to pull the car back in after I'm trying to get another one in here.
Because you didn't take a video of it.
You got that. That means I can stay in here for a month on one car, and he better not say a word, because it's getting
You already
video
did
time. No, we don't.
What would be any different? Well, I don't know. I will hit that. Calibration is needed.
I don't know how to calibrate it.
It's gotta look.
It's gotta look. It gotta get look.
Yeah.
It gotta get looking good, folks.
Your face ain't gonna be looking too good after I'm done.
It never has.
I only got the thing to take like half a gallon. It kept popping off on me. I'm glad I don't pay the electric bill around here. What the f is going on out here?
You got the heaters going full blast and the door wide open.
If this was
What the f?
if this was a little bigger, I'd care.
It's one that I'm glad I just can go back to the office and watch the video.
Plus you f***ed up the steering rack. And my left. You see what I'm working with? I have no safety bar no more because you broke the fucking handle off. I raised up the Suburban, it touched the bar, the sensor broke, Suburban was stuck in the air. So now we have wrapped around.
Hold on, Danny. I got OSHA's phone number right here. 1-800, I don't give a shit.
Pull the motor. 1-800, get the motor in.
1-800, pull the motor. 1-800, do your job.
That's diesel fluid coming out of our transfer case.
What we have here is zero oil on the dipstick. So now, let's pull the plug and see what we got.
I gotta psych myself up for this.
Oh, here, look at this. I can take your job, Dave.
Here we go.
You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's see how skilled I am.
30, 40, 50, 60. All right, so what'd we do? 4.3. Oh, man, no way. I can do better than that.
And the back seat's so big, you can hold a meeting, take a nap, start a relationship, all at the same time.
To $5,440. If you like this kind of content, no. Thanks for watching to the end. If you like this content, $440. So that was a good one. Yeah, and we got a decent contribution margin at the end of the day. So if you, me, if you like this kind of, thanks for watching to the end. Thanks for watching to the end. It made somebody a really nice car, and we got a little bit of money to add to the bottom line. Me.